Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will make a card for Valentine's Day. We begin by folding the paper in half and we will draw on this side, right here. We will sketch a couple hugging. We can begin by marking the hair lines by the face of the girl. She will be seen from the front and he from the back. Let's make the border of the head like this and the hair coming down. She will have long hair. Very simple and easy. Then the other side. Here the eyebrows. Her right one and left one. Just with a curving line, like so. Then we do the border of the eyelid a little bit thick to indicate the lashes. And the other one. I want a little bit more space between them, like so, because remember that more or less it should fit one eye in between the eyes. We indicated the lower part of the nose and now the lips. I want her to be slightly smiling. Now let's do the hand and the arm. Let's also indicate the side of the face, here, and then the head of the man, with the ear. We can start sketching some of the hair, and I'll do her arm a little bit longer. It was too short. The fingers, no, I want them further up, like so. As you see, first I do the flat planes of the hand, and then we can add the detail with the fingers. Then we can erase the guidelines. I'm using a kneaded eraser and a 223 mechanical pencil. The list of materials is in the description below the video. Let's clean up the face, add the cheek on the other side, and then I start shading slightly the eyes and the nose. We can begin shading the hair. We should do this making the strokes in the direction of the flow of the hair. I add some shading to her cheeks too, and then his hair. We do this with short strokes, of course. This will be on the darkish side, so we push the pencil a little bit more. Okay, very good. Excelente! Now we fold the page, and I will mark a line to cut it, because I don't want the paper to be too big in comparison to the drawing. So we chop it here, and the line is so that we go straight. And now we have a card. Now let's draw some guidelines so that we can write also straight. 1 and 2. Here you can write your Valentine's message. Mine will be, I love your hugs. In Spanish, of course. Amo tus abrazos. Wait for the ink to dry and then erase the lines. And that's it. We have a beautiful and personalized card. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends, have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I will see you on Tuesday.